Hi everyone, welcome to an episode of Life with MaryAnn and Joe as I continue our fall 2024 decor series. And as you can see, I'm showing you a shot of the mantle that I did. I have a video of that if you want to catch that, and the artwork I did above the mantle. And today what I'm going to be doing is continuing our fall decorating in the music room. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring the color that I put onto the mantle and the hearth area over into the rest of the room. And I'm taking a shot right now at the chair, but I'm specifically asking you to look at that tree back there because I have a ficus tree in the corner that has to be removed because it's too green for this time of the year. So there you go. It is gone. It's in another place for now until it will be replaced. On the leather chair, I'm adding this neat looking kind of leopard-like scarf just to bring some color in that matches the rug so great. A gold velvet pillow, and then here is the orange that I'm fusing into these beautiful Amazon covers that MaryAnn got for us. Now up here on the sconce between the two windows, I'm going to put this picture I made of a violin to remember it's the music room, and a little bit of the fall color underneath, and then a pumpkin and a gourd, and I'm going to finish that off with a pine cone. Very simple, but very to the point of what it is. Now we're going to move down onto the table, which is right below the sconce. First in is a lamp. P.S. That's my grandmother's lamp. And on the table, I think I want to, continue with that academia kind of a mild look that I'm doing in here. So I'm adding a few books, vertical and horizontally, and I'm going to use this great horn candle holder against the vertical books. And I'm going to add an orange candle to bring over that orange color onto the table. And then down on top of the horizontal books, I'm going to put a little French horn there, and I'm going to put a little French horn in front of the books as well. Now, on top of the French horn, I'm going to add a pumpkin. I'm trying not to go pumpkin crazy. I have a lot of pumpkins in here already. So one pumpkin right there in the middle of the French horn. And I'm going to add in a little bit of leaves right there because I just can't help myself. So there you go. There are some leaves, and we finished that educationally sound vignette on the table. Now on to the other leather chair right here. I'm going to add in this throw, which a friend gave us from Colombia. It has the gold and the black and the stripes, and I'm going to add another velvet pillow as well as the orange velvet pillow to bring that orange over here. So you can see that whole area, what it looks like decorated. Okay, we're going to be moving over onto the piano. I'm going to do a little bit here. I'm adding a lamp in right here because honestly, I cannot see those notes when I'm practicing there. And of course, pine cone and some leaves to finish the bottom of the lamp off. And on the other side right here, I have the black vase that I've just simply added some pine cones and some leaves in. Notice no pumpkins. And on the piano itself, I'm putting a piece of music called Autumn Leaves. Did you ever hear that song? Beautiful, especially by Nat King Cole. Take a listen to it. Down at the bottom, I decided to add Beethoven's head down here with some books and a candle to hold the whole thing together on the bottom. And I thought it just made a really neat, different kind of a look for my fall decor. And here's the room. Hey everybody, thanks so much for stopping by. I'll be seeing you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.